Hello class, we are going to be changing habitats from the ocean to the savanna. What I'm going to do is explain to you what a savanna is and where it's found. A savanna is an flat open grassland with few trees or shrubs. They are found all over the world. In fact, the United States even has what we call a prairie. But the main savanna we're going to talk about is found in Africa. This is a map of Africa. And as you can see, that all this light green part is the grassland or the savanna. So it covers a lot of Africa. And Africa is actually across the ocean from where we are. So I just wanted to again show you that. It covers, as we said, most of it. The grasses there grow really tall. It doesn't get much rainfall. Savanna has both a dry season where temperatures are extremely hot or cool, and a rainy season where temperatures are warm. During the dry season, many animals adapt to the shortage of water and food through many different ways, which include migrating or moving from place to place, hibernation until the season is over. When the period of rain comes, grass grows very fast and new life begins. Many baby animals are born during this time of the rainy season because the food is very plentiful at this time. Sometimes there's fires, and they actually play an important role. Fires do not devastate the savanna. Most of the plants and animals are well adapted to the fires. Small animals hide themselves in underground holes, and I want to show you that. So again, you can see they burrow underneath the ground, and that's where they hide if there is a fire. And then others, like the gazelles or the antelope, and then on this side, the other animals, they hide, or they can run fast and outrun the fire. So the unique thing about the savanna is that there's a lot of different, in the African savanna there's a lot of different animals that are there. And we're going to learn about all the different kinds of animals that are there. So I'm going to show you a couple things, or talk to you about a couple things about the animals. Savanna is home to many of the largest animals in the world. Also, speed is very important to many of the animals for them to survive on the savanna. So many of the animals can run very fast. Camouflage is also important, and camouflage is when, if you remember, is when they kind of hide, their color blends into their surroundings. So grazing animals like gazelles and zebras feed on grasses and often use camouflage to protect themselves from predators, which are the animals that want to eat them. Also, some animals, such as the small mammals and rodents, use camouflage to blend into their surroundings with grass-colored tan fur. They also avoid predators by burrowing underground or being nocturnal. Nocturnal is that they are active at night. So again, if I show you this picture here, you can see that they go underground, and that's where they can hide from predators, and that's where they sleep and eat and things like that. This actually is a termite mound. So little termites make this big of a mound, which is really pretty cool. And it's hard enough that you can see that things can climb up onto it. So that's also a form of protection, is where they have the houses. And also, if you can see the trees, there's one here, there's one just scattered around. And they're not real tall, not like the big tall trees we have. So that's what the savanna kind of looks like. All right. Also, so let me show you some animals that can be found in the savanna. And I'm going to put them up on our bulletin board so you can see. Some are called the vultures. So they like to be in the trees and things. Let me see if I can get you a little closer so you can see. There, we'll try that. I'll show you soon too. Here are the zebras we talked about. They can run very fast. And here's some rhinos. And a baby rhino. And one of the top predators, of course, is the lion. We'll put the lion over here. And then another one we're going to talk about is, like I said, it has one of the largest animals, and the largest animal, land animal, is the elephant. And I'm going to talk to you about the elephant here in a few minutes. And then the tallest animal that we have is the giraffe. And here's some baby giraffes. So, the African elephant is the largest land animal, weighing up to 14 or 15,000 pounds. The tallest creature is the giraffe, which stands up to almost 20 feet. So it's probably even taller than the ceiling here in class. His legs alone are 6 feet. So if your dad is 6 feet tall, that's how long the giraffe's legs are. The fastest animal, I don't have a picture of it, but the fastest animal is also found in Africa, and that's the cheetah. So these are some of the things we're going to learn about, some of the different animals, and also just have fun with all of that. So I hope you are excited about learning about the African savanna.